Okay, we've got another bonus video for you. In this video, we're going to talk about how to create a contact page for your blog. How to create a contact page for your blog. Okay, there's going to be a couple steps to this one. Where you want to start is you want to go to Pages and you want to go to Add New. Okay, now you want to type in, let's say, Contact. Just something that simple. Okay, or you could do Contact Us or whatever. And don't even really worry about anything else. You've got a contact page going just like that. You're set. Empower Network /Zopa Realty /contact. Okay, it's all set. It's all ready to go. Now what you need is you need a contact form. Okay, so let's go over here to a website called contactme.com. What you could do is you could just go ahead and set up a free account here. It's extremely easy. You don't even really need to worry about much. Let's see. I'll just set one up real quick just for fun. And we're going to create an account really quick. You could just skip all this. Just skip straight over to create a contact form. You know, we could just call this something simple. Again, you can actually have some fun with this if you want. I'm going to be pretty brief with it, but you can see what it looks like right there. But I'm going to go ahead and be pretty brief with it. Let's see. Let's just choose that one. You can load in a logo, and we're just gonna have some fun. She probably wants like maybe the Zopa Realty logo. It's just a lot of stuff here that you can add, and you could get a premium form, but don't even worry about it. I mean, this is good enough for now. You can actually add in some social profiles, which is pretty cool. There's lots of different fields that you can add as well. So, you know, just have some fun with it. Do whatever it is that you want to do. Let's, you know, you can see right there, just real quick, how to add in your Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, stuff like that. But we're just going to keep this super simple. Okay, so you could save the form. Okay, so there you go. Now you've got the form, Zopa Realty. You're going to go over here to Get Code, and it's going to give you the form to embed right there. Okay, that's the embed the form. There's other stuff, don't worry about it. Just basically copy that, right? So you just copy that code right there, and now you're going to go back to this contact page that you had open. But this time you're going to click on HTML, and now you're in HTML, and now you're going to paste it. So anytime you have code, you have to go to the HTML section, right? And then what you might want to do is you might want to change the height and width just to make it look better. I don't know, about 600 by 600. It'll make it fit in a little bit better. And you can add a featured image as well. I usually always add a featured image, by the way, to pretty much every blog post. And you can just add the same one that you used. That doesn't matter. You just add in an image, and you go down to use as featured image. And that should work just fine. Okay, and then you publish. Okay, we'll view the page just to kind of check it out and make sure that it actually worked out. Might take a second for the contact form to pop up, and then boom, there you go. Contact. And there you go. I mean, it's pretty simple. Obviously, you could put in a different picture. You could put in some social profiles and make it even better. Okay, so that's pretty cool. That's how you do it. And then as a bonus, what you might want to do is you might want to go over to Appearance and Menus, and you might want to actually add it. See it right there. You might want to actually add that contact page right there. Add to menu, and there you go. And then you might want to, you know, maybe we might want to rename these while we're here. Get it, maybe clean it up a little bit. Real estate news. Maybe real estate tips and estate videos. I don't know. You could really just do whatever you want. It doesn't really matter that much. Okay, there you go. So we can let's see. Let's go over here and let's go. Sorry, back to the home section. Okay, so there you go. California real estate news, real estate marketing tips, real estate videos, and you got the contact page. It's working great. This is the contact page right there. And oh, one thing I want to show you real quick is you'll notice that these haven't changed yet. You'll notice that these new ones aren't up yet. Don't worry about that. As long as you've saved them, they are. A lot of times it'll just take a second for the cache on the page to actually show up. A lot of times you can click something on the site that you haven't clicked before. Like I just clicked that category. I haven't clicked it before, so it's not saved in cache, which means it's not stored. And look, it changed them right off the bat. It's just a little trick right there. So if you're like, wait a minute, I thought I changed it. You've either got to give it a few minutes